Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in the workshop we've got this really awesome van because we have a MAN TGE 4x4, an actual 4x4 one, not one of these pretending ones that goes out there with some fake max tracks on the side of it. This one actually gets used. It is a work van for a gentleman who works on agriculture, so he needs a 4x4. He's got all these fancy lights on it. It is a lovely van. However, a couple of bottom out issues. Just wants it to go a little bit taller, so we're fitting a Bilstein lift kit on this crafter, which is really exciting. We've lifted a few transporters lately and they're getting a bit more common, which is brilliant in my eyes. And now finally we're lifting a crafter slash MAN, they're the same van. But this one will actually be used. It will go off-road. As we can see, Stan is down here at the moment on his knees, bless him, although it's a ramp, putting on the wheels because he's just put the front suspension on. And then he'll crack on and get the rears done. And then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all lifted and outside. And just like that, we're outside and the van is finished. And she's looking absolutely mint. But I'm going to say that because I'm a big fan of it. So we didn't do the lights and the body kits and stuff like that. We can source them, we can get them for you. But all together now with the suspension work, the light bars, the roof rack, I'm not going to show you inside because this is a work van and that is very personal. And also I don't just want to show off someone else's tools. But this van is now set up perfectly for this gentleman to do his job. So he's going to be hopefully bouncing around a couple of fields and getting out there and fixing the agricultural equipment that he needs to get into places that he just couldn't quite get to before. This van being the 4x4 is already hopefully very capable. I haven't actually taken one off-road myself, but I kind of really want to. And now with the lift kit as well, we've got the nice big mud tyres on it, we've got the fancy wheels as well. This van is properly equipped to not only carry out the work, look absolutely incredible, but also drives pretty decent as well, considering it is now lifted and is a very heavy, big bit of rig. But if this is something you are interested in, if you do have an MAN, obviously this is the first one we have lifted. It is a crafter, shares the same platform, I think from about 2016 onwards, don't quote me on that, but they do share it, so we can now source you this kit. We've got the rear shocks on here as well. We've lowered the axle, or lifted it, lowered, no. You drop the axle on blocks, that's the one I'm saying about, in the rear here, and obviously the whole front with the new sort of coil-over system with the lifting at the front. So we can source these for you, we can do them. If you've got one, let us know. If you've got a motorhome one, like when they're kitted out from factories and stuff like that, obviously do check with us first with weights and stuff like that, because some of them are quite heavy, and obviously our equipment will only lift a set weight. But if this is something you're interested in or want, let us know, because we definitely want to do more of them. But hopefully you've enjoyed watching this one. And hopefully he's going to enjoy driving it as well, and it should be in a field very soon.